Sneezing like a popcorn machine? Grandma-style no-sneeze tips can help calm your allergies. Pop, pop! Yep, that's me every spring. Rinse your nasal passages with a mild saline solution. Inhale steam with a pinch of caraway or eucalyptus. Apply a warm compress across your nose and sinuses. Drink ginger, honey, and lemon tea daily. What foods can help reduce sneezing? Include vitamin C-rich foods like oranges and bell peppers. Add turmeric and black pepper to soups for anti-inflammatory benefits. Try local raw honey to gradually desensitize allergies. And the things I should avoid? Avoid strong perfumes and chemical sprays. Stay away from dusty or pollen-heavy areas. And skip cold drinks during flare-ups. Got it. Keep it clean and natural. Lifestyle tips. Use an air purifier in your room. Wash bedding weekly in hot water. Practice light breathing exercises or yoga. Any bonus grandma tricks for relief? Dab a bit of coconut oil at the edges of your nostrils before going outside. Keep a clean mask handy in pollen season. That sounds manageable and gentle. Subscribe for more wellness hacks, link in description.